Hello guys, how are you today? Okay, this video is for you to practice at home some about division. Okay, we are just gonna start remembering some ways about how we can solve division problems. So first of all, let's remember some things that are very important for us. For example, give me a second. The vocabulary. Remember that the number that is below this sign is called the dividend. That number that we need to divide into something. And the divisor is the boss that tell us in how many groups or how many groups do I have to do with the dividing, or in how many I have to divide them. And the quotient, the queen, is the answer of the division. So every single day that someone says to you, okay, give me the quotient, they are telling you that you have to do or to show the answer of the division. Remember, we practiced 4 different ways. That was the arrays, equal groups, subtraction, and the basic algorithm. So arrays is like this. When we were doing some lines and we organized in groups making some lines, then we practice with this. Then we have equal groups. That is when we create groups and we set the objects in each different group. But this could be a little bit tricky if you have a number greater than 12. Imagine that is not 12, imagine that is 123 divided in 3. It could be a large number to divide using groups, so you can spend a long time. That's why we used to do the another options that are the long division. This is another strategy that we have, that is the repeated subtraction to get the answer. But today the idea is that we're gonna practice with long division, something that we already know. Then remember what is a leftover or reminder. That candy, that flower, that object that we can't give to anyone because that would be unfair. Or it would be fair if I give this candy to this boy and this boy got 3 candies and the rest just 2 candies. No, that is not fair. That's why we have a leftover or a reminder. Okay, let's check what is that in our problems. Entonces, just remember, this is one way that we learn about how to divide 3 digits, also 2 digits. Listo? This was a practice that we did. This was videos that we watched. Now we are gonna practice in this paper. Give me a second. I'm gonna bring like my pencils. Okay, list. I'm ready. Now I'm gonna take my pencil and I'm gonna draw a fraction. I'm sorry, a division. Imagine that I'm gonna divide the number no, a biggest one. I prefer a big one. Biggest. For example, what is the eraser? Okay, here. I'm sorry. Listo. I'm gonna divide 95 divide in 5. 95 divided in 5. So I'm gonna start doing my rectangle that I like to do. I just have 2 numbers, that is the 9 and the number 5. So I set the number 5, that is the divisor, and here I'm gonna set the dividend, 95. And I'm gonna write here my times or x, that you already know what does it mean. And I'm gonna start now. 5 times which number give me 9? 5 times which number equals 9? Is that possible? What do you think? No, teacher, is not possible because in the table of 5 we don't have a multiple. That is 5. Sorry, that is 9. So which number is closer to 9? Closer, remember, no bigger than 9, closer. It could be 8, no, impossible. 7, impossible. 6, impossible. 5, yes, 5. 5 times 1 is 5. So it works? Yes, it's not a 9, but it's closer to 9 because 5 times 2 is equal 10. Is it works? No, it doesn't work because it's greater than 9. So 5 times 1 is 5. Now what I have to do, guys? Excellent. I have to do a subtraction. So I'm going to do the subtraction. 9 minus 5 is, help me with that. Excellent. 4. 4. Now what I have to do with this number? Good job. I have to set the number 4 here next to the other number. 4. 45. Now, 5 times which number give me 45? This is easiest, teacher, because 9 times 5 is 45. Yes, 9 times 5 is 45, or is the same as 5 times 9 equals 45. Okay? So, 5 times 9 is 45. Then what I have to do now? Excellent, the subtraction. So 45 minus 45 is 0. Do we have a reminder? No, we don't have any reminder because here we have a 0. There is no reminders. So the quotient or the queen is 19. So the answer of this division is 19. Ta-da! Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Yes. Now, let's try to do another exercise, but changing the number. We are going to change the number. Listo? This is clear? Check. Happy face for all of you. Did you understand? Excellent, guys. Good job. Now let's move on to another one that is with a reminder. I'm going to erase this. 98 divided in 5. So let's start. I'm going to write I'm sorry, that is too big. Entonces, 98. So let's put the divisor 5 and dividend, that is 98. Now, 5 times what? Give me 9. Is that possible? Did you remember that? No, impossible. So I need to multiply times 1 because 5 times 1 is 5. It's closer to 9. And 9 minus 5 is 4. Now I have to set this 4 here next to 48. But what happened here, guys? Excellent. 5 times what number equals 48? Is it possible? It's possible, teacher. We need a number that is closer. Which number is closer to that number? Yes, 9. Because 5 times 9 is 45. It's a number that is closer to 48, but is not too big to it. So, 5 times 9 is 45. Now, 48 minus 45 is, remember, 8 minus 5 is 3, and 4 minus 4 is 0. Oh, look what happened here. We have a reminder. The reminder is 3. Reminder 3. So, my quotient or my queen is, excellent. Give me a second. I want to change the color of my pen here. Excellent. So 98 divided in 5 is equal to 19. Reminder 3. Excellent, guys, and that's it. That's everything that we have been learning in our classes. Remember that multiplication is related with division. As you can see here, we are working with multiplication to know the answer of this division. So that's why it's very important for us multiplication. But excellent job, my friends. Have a good day, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and please let me know if you have questions. Have an excellent day. Bye bye.